Welcome to the very first episode of our beginner-friendly finance and business tutorial series here on Biz Focus. In this episode, we're diving into personal finance, the foundation of managing your money and building a secure financial future. Whether you're just starting your financial journey or looking to get a better handle on your finances, this video will guide you through the basics like budgeting, saving, and setting goals, to help you take control of your money and start making it work for you. So grab a notebook and let's get started on the path to financial success with Biz Focus. Introduction. Welcome to Biz Focus, your go-to channel for all things business and finance. Today we're kicking off an exciting journey into the world of personal finance. Managing your money is one of the most important life skills, yet it's something most of us were never taught in school. Whether you're a student, working professional, or just someone looking to improve their financial habits, this video will give you a strong foundation. From understanding your income and expenses to setting financial goals and creating a budget, we'll cover it all. Stick around to the end for actionable tips to get started today. What is personal finance? At its core, personal finance is all about managing your money, earning, saving, investing, and spending it wisely to achieve your financial goals. It's not just about making ends meet, but creating a plan for your money to grow and work for you. Think of it as the roadmap to financial independence. Whether you want to save for a vacation, buy a home, retire comfortably, or simply stop living paycheck to paycheck, personal finance is the tool that will get you there. Why is personal finance important? Let's start with a simple question. What happens if you don't take control of your finances? Without a plan, it's easy to overspend, fall into debt, or miss opportunities to save for the future. On the other hand, mastering personal finance empowers you to live with less stress and more freedom. Imagine knowing that you have enough saved for emergencies, your bills are always paid on time, and you're building wealth for your future. That's the power of good financial habits. Key elements of personal finance. Number 1, income. Your income is the starting point of personal finance. It's the money you earn. This could come from your job, side hustles, investments, or even passive income sources. Understanding your income is crucial because it sets the limits for what you can save, spend, and invest. Example, let's say you earn $3,000 a month after taxes. Your goal is to allocate this money wisely across your expenses, savings, and investments. 2, expenses. Next, we have expenses, which are the costs of living. Expenses are typically divided into 2 categories. Fixed expenses. These are consistent monthly costs like rent, utilities, insurance, or loan payments. Variable expenses. These can change month to month, like dining out, shopping, or entertainment. Tracking your expenses is the first step to controlling them. Tools like apps, e.g. Mint, YNAB, or even a simple spreadsheet can help. Example, if you spend $200 a month on coffee runs, identifying that habit might help you cut back and redirect that money toward your goals. 3, budgeting. A budget is your financial game plan. It helps you allocate your income in a way that prioritizes your needs, savings, and financial goals. One popular method is the 50-30-20 rule. 50% for needs, rent, groceries, bills. 30% for wants, entertainment, hobbies. 20% for savings and debt repayment. Example, if you earn $3,000 a month, under the 50-30-20 rule, $1,500 goes to needs, $900 to wants, and $600 to savings. Saving. Saving is the cornerstone of personal finance. A good rule of thumb is to save at least 20% of your income. Savings can be split into emergency fund. Aim for 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses in a high-yield savings account. Short-term goals, like saving for a car, vacation, or new gadget. Long-term goals, like buying a home or retiring. Example, if your monthly expenses are $2,000, your emergency fund goal should be between $6,000 and $12,000. 5, debt management. Debt is a reality for many, but it doesn't have to control your life. There are 2 popular strategies to pay off debt. Pay off the smallest debt first to build momentum. Debt avalanche. Pay off the debt with the highest interest rate first to save on interest. Example, If you have a $500 credit card balance at 18% interest and a $2,000 car loan at 6%, the avalanche method suggests focusing on the credit card first. 6. Investing. Investing is about growing your money over time. The earlier you start, the more you can take advantage of compound interest, where your earnings generate even more earnings. Beginner options, index funds, ETFs, or robo-advisors are great places to start. Example, investing $100 a month in an index fund with a 7% return could grow to over $120,000 in 30 years. 7. Insurance. Insurance protects you and your family from financial disasters. Key types include health insurance, life insurance, auto insurance, home renter's insurance. Example, paying $20 a month for renter's insurance could save you thousands if an emergency strikes. 8. Retirement planning. It's never too early to start saving for retirement. Accounts like a 401k or IRA offer tax advantages to help your savings grow faster. The key is consistency. Contributing even a small amount regularly can make a big difference. Example, if your employer offers a 401k match, contributing enough to get the full match is like getting free money. Common personal finance mistakes. To make the most of your money, avoid these common pitfalls. 1. Living paycheck to paycheck. Without savings, even small emergencies can cause big problems. 2. Not tracking expenses. Ignorance about where your money goes leads to overspending. 3. Ignoring retirement. Waiting to save for retirement means missing out on years of compound growth. 4. High interest debt. Carrying balances on credit cards can erode your financial progress. Steps to take today. Here are actionable steps to improve your personal finance starting today. 1. Track your spending. For 1 month, write down every expense. This will reveal patterns and areas to cut back. Create a simple budget. Use the 50-30-20 rule to guide your spending. 3. Set financial goals. Identify short-term and long-term goals. For example, saving for a vacation or building an emergency fund. 4. Automate savings. Set up an automatic transfer to your savings account each month. 5. Pay down debt. Focus on high-interest debt first while making minimum payments on others. 6. Educate yourself. Watch more videos, read books, or take courses to deepen your financial knowledge. Inspiring example. The power of consistency. Let's wrap up with a real-life example of how personal finance can transform your life. Meet Sarah, a 25-year-old teacher earning $40,000 a year. She decides to follow the 50-30-20 rule, saves $8,000 a year, invests $5,000 annually in an index fund with an average 7% return. By age 55, Sarah has over $500,000 thanks to compound interest and consistent investing. Her secret? Starting early, staying consistent, and living within her means. Conclusion. That's it for today's introduction to personal finance. Remember, mastering your money is a journey, not a sprint. By tracking your spending, setting goals, and sticking to a budget, you can achieve financial freedom and reduce stress. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to BizFocus for more tips and tutorials to help you succeed in finance and business. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.